We're here now with The Legal Answer. It's a segment twice a month here on Studio 10, brought to you by the Sinas Dramis Law Firm and personal injury attorneys, Steve Sinas and Katie Tucker. Questions coming from you, the public, and they'll provide the legal answers. And joining us this week is Katie Tucker. Katie, always nice to see you here.
Wonderful to see you again. Thank you for having me.
Of course. And so today we're talking about personal injury claims involving children, because obviously minors can't file legal action for themselves. So we want to know, how do courts handle a situation when a minor needs to pursue a personal injury claim?
Yes, you're exactly right. A minor cannot file his or her own legal action, but they can pursue a claim through either a next friend, typically a parent or legal guardian, or a court-appointed conservator. In some cases where there may be a conflict of interest between the next friend, the parent, or the child, for example, if both parties are injured in a car accident, the court will actually appoint a guardian ad litem to pursue and protect the interests of the child. But there are multiple means by which a child's claim can be pursued in Michigan.
Of course. And so are there the court rules and statute of limitations the same when dealing with minors? Yeah,
so as we've talked about before here, the general statute of limitations for a personal injury claim in Michigan is 3 years, but that is told or extended in a case involving a minor from the date of that minor's 18th birthday. So when they reach the age of majority, they have an additional year to make a decision about whether they want to pursue a claim that they may have, even if a parent or guardian may have previously decided against doing so for whatever reason.
No, that's all good to know. So is there any oversight, though, when a child is involved?
Absolutely. So there is oversight at the court level. Either the probate court and or the circuit court will actually have a hearing and formally review and approve a settlement, a proposed settlement, before it can be finalized. In addition, there's oversight with regard to any settlement funds that the minor obtains as a result of the claim. Typically, funds for minors are either placed in a restricted conservatorship account, in a structured settlement, or in a trust. So there's oversight both by the court and by entrusted individuals as to the settlement and the use of the funds.
Okay, yeah, that makes all sense. Okay, so this is all good to break down because obviously, unfortunately, you know, sometimes children are involved in sort of these things, so it's good to know where minors fall and what can be done about it.
Absolutely, and there are specific and special rules, so it's great to have a better understanding of that.
So that's all good to know. So thank you so much. And of course, remember, you can always ask specific legal questions by going to the Sinas Dramis website with information all on your screen right there. But thank you so much for breaking all this down for us.
Absolutely. Thank you. And I look forward to coming back and answering more viewer questions.
Yeah.